So today I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal link so that way you can go ahead and give that to somebody so they can send you money directly on PayPal. Now I'm actually here on the home page of our PayPal account on desktop, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to find this. There are a couple different ways to get to the same point, but I'm just going to show you one of the ways that I do know, which is going to go ahead and start with going into our request section over here. You can also go to the send and request section up here as well. Both will take you pretty much to the same page, but this one over here on the right hand side is going to be just a little bit faster, so we're going to go with this one. So now we are on the request page of our PayPal send and request section. So you can see right over here we are on request. Now if we actually look over here on the right hand side, there is a section here that says more ways to request. And if you look down here, it is going to have a section for us to be able to share our profile. So let's click on here and show you the next step. All right, so that brought us up to this pop-up page here for us. And what we want to do now is actually click this little share arrow button right over here. So if you hover over, it's going to just highlight just a little bit. We're going to click on this and show you the next page. All right, so from clicking that, it takes us to this next page that looks oddly familiar, but now it does have the share link page over here, which you can see right over here. We have the copy link option, so we can copy that and paste it anywhere or send it through a text message, and that way somebody can send us money directly through PayPal. Now, once you have that money inside of your PayPal account, you might be wanting to withdraw that money, and no worries, we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.